Welcome back, professionals. This isn't a beginner's roadmap. This isn't an intermediate walkthrough. Today's video is for those of you who already live and breathe data communication, control systems, and distribution network design. If you're looking for a no-nonsense, high-level guide to lock in your DCDC certification as an expert, this video is crafted for you. You already know the basics. You've worked in the field. You've designed systems, solved real-world problems, and now the only thing standing between you and certification is focus, precision, and a structured game plan. Let's dive right in. Step 1: Why experts still need DCDC. At the expert level, certification isn't about learning new concepts, it's about validation. The DCDC certification tells clients, employers, and project leads that your hands-on experience is backed by formal standards. It bridges that final gap between technical credibility and industry recognition. Even seasoned engineers hit knowledge gaps during the exam, and this guide is here to bulletproof you against those blind spots. Step 2: Expert-level study map. Now for the real deal, the expert study path, deep dive documentation review, focus on vendor-agnostic material, not brand training. Review standards like ANSI/TIA 942, ISO/IEC 11801, and BICSI's TDMM. Advanced troubleshooting mastery. You're expected to simulate real-world fault scenarios, multi-point failure analysis, EMI-induced faults and mitigation, layered packet loss tracking, protocol deep understanding, not just knowing protocols like Modbus, BACnet, and Ethernet/IP, but understanding packet negotiation, error trapping, redundancy, and failover methods. System resilience and scalability. You must demonstrate the ability to design systems that survive faults, expand logically, and adapt to future tech upgrades. Step 3: Learning resources for experts. At the expert level, the usual study guides won't cut it. You should be using white papers from manufacturers like Cisco, Rockwell Automation, and Siemens. Industry case studies and postmortem reports from real failure events. Advanced textbooks such as Data and Computer Communications by William Stallings. Network analyzers like Wireshark, for actual packet dissection, not just theory. Step 4: Exam strategy for experts. Experts often overthink the exam. The key is this: stick to standards and best practices, not personal workplace habits. Expect scenario-based questions that test your reaction under pressure, not your memory. Think architecturally, not operationally. The exam leans heavily on scalable, reliable designs. Time management is crucial. If you know the answer, commit, move on. Don't second-guess your professional instincts. Step 5: Mental preparation and motivation. Certifications at the expert level are about mental readiness, not just technical skill. Trust your experience, stay sharp on the standards, and remember, the DCDC exam isn't asking you to be perfect, it's asking you to be industry approved. If you're aiming for expert-level certification, you've already proven your skills in the real world. Now it's just about packaging that knowledge to meet formal certification standards. Stick to the strategy I've shared, stay disciplined, and the DCDC certification will be your next trophy. Smash that like button, subscribe for more technical and professional guides,